How to get working DHgate promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Type in DHgate promo code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website, groupon.com. Once we're in this website, here you will find amazing offers and deals for DHgate. Just scroll down and check out the offers. $25 off, 80% off, $30 off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you'll get the code for it. Once you get the code, you can copy the code and head towards the website of DHgate and log into your account, make your purchase and check out. In the checkout page, you'll see the option of promo codes. Over there, paste the code and confirm your purchase. That the offer will be applied to your purchase and you'll get certain amount as a discount. Likewise, you can also try out other offers, as in this website you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for DHgate. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Just click on the offer and go through the process. Lastly, head back. Once we're in this website section, you can also give a try to other website. Let me try this one, Simply Codes. This is also the legit website where you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for DHgate. In this website as well, you're gonna find amazing offers. You just have to apply the same process to use any of the offer. So this way you can easily get working DHgate promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.